Welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan RB, Assistant Teacher of Subject English. Today we are going to learn topic 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight English Workshop. In this section, we are going to take a look at English Workshop 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight English Workshop. First, complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. Answers are given here. A. The child wants to show small moons of light from the city to his village. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. C. The child wants a basket full of moonlight on lawn. D. The child wants to light the dark room so that his father returns early. Second, write down the describing words used for the following nouns: small moons, tough root, early morning, whole village. Third, the child in the poem wants to solve the problems of his village. How can the child solve them with the following wishes? Answer in your notebook. A. Give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. Answer. The child can solve the problems of the village by taking seeds of moonlight and sowing them on sides of the path that leads from the city to his village. This way, the whole path will light up and not be dark anymore. All villagers can return home early and spend more time with their children and families. B. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Answer. The child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early and spends more time with him. By lighting up the path, the villagers can come home quickly and spend more time with their families. Also, the poet will be able to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. 4. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. A. Father reaches home late after dark. Answer. When my father returns home, I am asleep. B. Eager to hear fairy tales from his father. Answer. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. C. Remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. Answer. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Fifth, write as many words as you can using FUL as suffix. Basketful. Answer. Basketful, bucketful, hopeful, careful, dutiful, joyful, cheerful, grateful, delightful, wonderful, blissful, beautiful. 6. Pick out the examples of alliteration and repetition from the poem. Answers. Alliteration. First, O moon, give me moonlight. Second, basketful or two basketful. Third, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Repetition. Small, small moons of light. 7. Write an appreciation of the poem. The title of the poem is Basketful of Moonlight. The poet's name is Sunil Sharma. The rhyme scheme is free verse. theme or central idea. This poem is a request of a child to the moon. The child requests it to give him one or two basketful of seeds of moonlight. He wishes to sow the small moons of light along the roads from the city to village. So his father will come home early and tell him stories. Poet describes villager's life which is full of dangers and child's love for his father. Figure of speech, alliteration. I want to sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Personification. O moon, give me basketful of moonlight. Thank you. Next lecture, lecture 8, topic name 1.4. Be smart.